Good morning, sir. Good morning, good morning. Okay, pass me your I-20 and passport. Yeah, I know. Here you go, sir. Okay. So, tell me why you are traveling to USA. I'm going to USA to pursue my bachelor's in biology at University of Louisiana at Monroe. Okay. So, tell me why USA. Well, sir, USA has flexible education system and we have freedom to choose the majors along with the minor that we are interested in. And the curriculum of USA mainly focus on research-based projects and practical study. Okay. Okay, so how many universities you have applied for? Well, sir, I have applied for 5 universities. Shall I name them? Yeah, you can go. I have applied to University of Texas at Arlington, Idaho University, Arizona State University, University of Louisiana at Monroe, and Norwich University. Okay, so you got accepted from all of these universities? Yes, sir. I got accepted to all of the 5 universities that I applied for. So, okay, that was nice. So, tell me, why are you going to this university particularly? ULM has active research going in the field of biology that is specific to my interest. ULM hosts a Beowulf Wildlife Area where the research is going on under Dr. Tolson in management and biology of white-tailed deer. And I think, sir, this research will really help me later on in my career at Nepal. Okay. So, could you elaborate more about this research? Sure, sir. The research that is led by one of the senior biology professor, Dr. Kim Tolson, focus on observing the reproductive, behavioral, and disease risk patterns in population of white-tailed deer. And by observing all those trends, the research mainly aims on providing the better population management and control techniques for population of white-tailed deer, and this will work for other mammals that share similar anatomical properties like black buck, other deers, etc. Okay, so down with here. Okay, just so okay. So you are going to study biology. So tell me, why do you want to study biology? So being grown near Bardia National Park, I got chance to encounter with many wild species. In context of my country, Nepal, in past decades, many animals and plants have listed as rare and endangered. This is due to lack of good researchers and techniques that is being used in this field. So as I did the research, I came up with the solution that is cloning based technology, which is called in vitro fertilization. Basically what is being done in that is the embryo is planted on surrogate mother, and this will maintain the genetic identity of the organization, and this strategy will surely help in saving the population of endangered species. And the problem in Nepal is that it lacks good researchers, so it has to hire manpower from the foreign country, so which is a bit expensive. So having all these concerns in my mind, I want to do biology with specialization in wildlife biology. Okay, so tell me, who is going to sponsor you? Well, sir, I've got a scholarship of $18,600. That will cover 84% of my tuition fee, and the rest of my tuition fee and my cost of attendance there in university for 4 years will be sponsored by my father's. My father's is a government school principal, and he earns 15 lakhs per year. Okay, so tell me, what does your mother do? Well, sir, my mother is also in same field, and she is teaching at government school, and she has income of 8 lakhs per year. Okay, so tell me about your graduation plans. After finishing my bachelor's, I intend to return to my own country, and I will apply for the job of Chief Conservation Officer at Bardia National Park, which has been my dream job since my childhood. So, by doing so, I will have a major advantage and upper hand among the candidates which are being applied for the post of Chief Conservation Officer. Okay, so what will you do if you not get the job at the designation which you are approaching for? Well, in that case, sir, I will work for any other INGOs that has been working in the field of conservation of wildlife for many years, like WWF, IUCN, etc. So, with my experience and knowledge that I get from research project that I do in UELM, I am confident that I will get job offers from there. Okay, so okay, then I'm wishing you a visa. Have a safe journey. Fuck.